Here comes a BMW. Got getting a bit hot for a BM. She doesn't look happy. The car's going back.
What do I do now?
Put the handbrake on, wander out and give recovery a call. Don't try and start it.
Oh.
Good old Hilux. Followed by the Ford Ranger. The sendit version. Another one. And someone got soaked down there.
That's what you call immersion video. I've got the right spot. I've got it.
You're doing well there. So we've got a Mercedes coming down and there is a quad coming down as well. Who's going to make it into the Ford first? I think the quad is. Here he is. Spinning his wheels as it goes. He might be coming back. He is coming back. He's beating up the Ford. PJ getting wet too. Oh, he loosed it there. How's your feet, PJ?
Wet.
Oh, he goes in at a speed. JD delivery, not. Getting the back end a bit loose there. Cleaning his wheels off. The Can-Am again. Not seen him for a while. What are we running? We're running for the quad. Can-Am. We're running for the DPD bag. Oh, he went in on that one. Bit of a wheel spin too. But he's committed. It was a nice Peugeot. Oh, it's floating. He's made it. Can you believe that? He floats it and still makes it. So that's the marker that the van has just driven through, just under 3 foot. Absolutely surprised us all. Maybe leave a comment on that one. It's Warrior Link, but it's one of the small ones. Got a little bit of speed there. Makes it through. Good old Warrior Link. company that soaked Tom and myself recently. A soft spot in our hearts for them. Oh, the number plate's gone. It still looks impressive. Fair pace on this one. But he's stopped. Oh, he's going. He's gone in. Submarined it. He's drowned it. I think that's the end of the Audi.
Dead. Did she tell you before you went in? No, just before you did. Oh, you told me no? Yeah.
Oh!
You're not getting a steak tonight.
No, someone's in the doghouse.
This is the second car I've done. I've written one off in here already. Yeah. Oh. You got lucky. Try and start. Oh, thanks. Keep going, you can have a swim.
Yeah. So we're getting ready for the Eye of Shame. It's the Eye of Shame with the toe of shame, the rope of shame.
Rope of shame.
Well, good that
Oh, he's going back. Abandoned by the rope of shame.
And the rope of shame can't even too shameful for the rope of shame.
And that's the passenger's version.
It got roped off.
So your dad's been through before, has he?
Yeah,
What did you go through in last time?
BMW.
And what did you do with that?
We got to about there and it just kaput. It's gone.
Was it-
It just died.
Was it
So-
written off?
Yeah, we called it Smoky after because it wouldn't stop smoking.
I like your
So there's Tom Sunderland showing him his fail.
Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good at all. It's not good. Can you airdrop me that? Let's see if it'll airdrop.
He's got his snorkel. The lights are under. Full thunder making light work of it.
No, we've got that slow now.